So there are different ways to get the average of different numbers in Excel, and the first one is to type in the equal sign, and I'm gonna use the average function. So I'm gonna type average, and then I'm gonna open up the parentheses, and then it's asking me for the numbers to average. So I'm gonna select from cell B2 down to cell B8, and I'm gonna close up the parentheses, and I'm gonna hit enter. And as you can see, now I have the average of those numbers in cell B9. The second way to get the average of some numbers in Excel is to select your range from cell B2 down to cell B8, and then we're gonna go up to the home menu, and we're gonna look for the editing section. So when we are here on the editing section, we're gonna look for the Autosum button, and we're gonna click on this arrow. Then it's going to present you some options. So in this case, we want the average, so we're gonna click it. And after we click it, we get the average of those cells in cell B9. The third way to get the average of these numbers is to select from cell B2 down to cell B8, and then on the bottom right corner, we're gonna click on this quick analysis tool. And we're gonna select the totals option, and we're gonna select the average one. So as you can see, I got the average on the same cell in cell B9, and it's the same result no matter which method I use. So that's how you get the average of different numbers in Excel. I hope that video was helpful. If you feel like practicing, you can download the sample file in the description. Also, don't forget to comment, to hit the red button to like and to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be motivating me to upload more tutorials for you. See you next time!